So let's make this obvious for everyone. If you're not into scenery, if you're not into seeing wildlife like mountain goats, caribou, elk, oh good grief, what else? Mountains, woods. This is not the video for you. Go watch something else, sorry. On the other hand though, this is destroying my miles per hour. I'm not getting anywhere fast with all these stops. Today we have a 6-hour drive from Fort Nelson to Lake Watson, 514 kilometers. A bit cool today, nice and sunny, clear skies. Should be a good drive. So yesterday I had some lost internet. Lost my Verizon. I think my AT&T also went away for a bit. I had one radio station I was able to pick up, so it was kind of a boring drive when it comes to listening to music. Today though, yeah, we're going to be getting further into the mountains, getting away from civilization. So we're pretty much going to have no internet until we get probably up to Lake Watson. Well, that was unexpected. First gas station I went to, they're out of diesel. They're at the Bluebell Hotel RV Park gas station. Went inside and asked, they said that the fuel truck was on its way, so. But that's okay, there's like 5 gas stations here, I think, 4, something like that. I'm getting diesel now though. So almost 92 liters. Total cost was $128. I'm guessing that's in Canadian. At some point I figure out what his miles per gallon is versus his liters per kilometer. The math doesn't work in my head because I don't have a footing for what that means.
A tongue travel production. Mahogany if you want to, 'cause you're safe with me, so just stay with me. Oh, every day is like a holiday. Sleeping if you want, sit, relax, unwind and kick back. So broken, yet I noticed in the weight of the world's got you hopeless. Nothing's greater, nothing's better. You just sit and you wait to come home. You got the fight in your hands, but the world's to the mending, spreading the blood to feel paralyzed.
Now how's that for some of you? That is pretty spectacular. Northern Rockies.
No more worries, let's get settled, baby. Lay here if you want to, 'cause you're safe with me, so just stay with me. Holding to you every day is like a hostage. Sleeping if you want, sit, relax, unwind and kick back, baby. 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 Something about you makes me feel this way. Something about you makes me want you. I want you so bad. Something about you makes me feel this way. Something about you makes me want you so bad, baby. No more worries, let's get settled, baby. Lay here if you want to, 'cause you're safe with me. Oh, just stay with me. Every day.
So this is the Summit Campground. How's this for a campground spot? Mountains everywhere, it's beautiful here. This is not my stop though.
Sleeping if you want, sit, relax, unwind and kick back, baby. Kick back, baby. Kick back, baby.
try to take footage of something, sticking your camera out the roof. Son of a tree! That's what happens when a tree, whole line of trees, suddenly gets into your line of sight while you're trying to film something. Oh, you son of a tree. Alright guys, day 8. Got about another 30 minutes. I'll be in Lake Watson. What a great day. The weather's been perfect. Couldn't ask for a better day for weather. It's made it all the way across British Columbia and entered the Yukon. Woo! Finally Yukon. Tomorrow we'll go from Watson Lake to Whitehorse. A lot of people drive all the way to Whitehorse. That's not me. No, that's too far. That's like 12 hours of drive and pass. Today would have been a little bit faster of a drive if we weren't so distracted by the wildlife, the scenery, the mountains, the rivers, the woods. It was a great day, guys. Road was really good. Had a couple different spots where construction crews were out working on the road. They were just small spots. They're not chip and seal kind of stuff. Now I'm passing some people mowing sides of the road. You can feed a bear, but you can only feed a bear once. Then there'll be nothing left of you. Most of this drive has been without internet, no radio, AM or FM. Even listening to Sirius commercials, those went away because it got too far north. I guess Sirius cover doesn't go as far with their satellite footprint. I've forgotten that the visitors sitting here at Watson Lake are all these signs that people put up. And I forgot to bring a sign to Alaska. I could have added to the mess. This goes on and on. Today we're taking off from Fort Nelson, heading up to, where are we heading to? I've forgotten already. Lake something or other.